Hi, I'm with Jason, the GoPro Field Retail Representative, and we're going to take a closer look at the GoPro HERO7. Now Jason, I know the HERO7 has lots of new features, but let's start by looking at the main key feature, which is the HyperSmooth video.
Yes.
What does that mean and how does it work?
HyperSmooth is our next level of stabilization for a HERO7 camera. It's designed to give you gimbal-like stabilization digitally through the camera without the use of a handheld gimbal. So just here we have a great example of HyperSmooth in action.
And I understand that also works with the time warp feature.
Yes, so using the inbuilt stabilization alongside a time-lapse mode, we've been able to give you hyperlapse video without having to go a lengthy process.
There's lots of live content streamed on social media these days, so can the HERO7 help you with that?
Yes, the HERO7 Black can now directly live stream to your social media services with the video from your camera. So services like Facebook Live can all be done directly from your camera now.
And how easy is it to upload the content from the HERO7 to your other devices?
Using the GoPro app, you can directly download the content from your camera to your mobile phone and then share it to all of your social media services with a one press of a button.
So there's clearly significant enhancements to video capture and handling, but what about advancements with photography?
So there's a new feature on our photography mode called SuperPhoto. And what that would do is apply automatic adjustments to your photographs to get the best out of any scene, whether that be in day or night.
GoPro are renowned for being robust and waterproof, so does the HERO7 maintain that?
Yes, you will expect the same robust quality that you've had from GoPros of previous. Still waterproof to 10 meters or 33 foot and can still be dropped, thrown around or played with to your heart's content.
How about interacting with the HERO7? Is it primarily with the screen and menu?
That's just one way you can use the GoPro. You can use it through voice control, so you could tell it to say take a photo, start recording to either do photo or videos effectively, or you can use your mobile phone or tablet to live view what's on the GoPro, control it and download your content from the camera to your device.
So if you want to take a selfie with your friend, you can just ask it to take a picture?
You certainly can. Do you want to try?
Yeah.
So, turn them on.
GoPro, take a picture.
Simple as that.
Great, thanks very much, Jason.
Not a problem.
If you want to find out more about the amazing new GoPro HERO7 Black with great new features for content capturing and sharing, simply visit Currys PC World online and in store.